Hello guys, if you are running a credit repair business and you want to generate more leads, you are on the right place, because I'm going to show you that how you can generate more leads from your website organically. And when I say organically, it means you do not have to spend any single penny on advertising. So let me show you the results of my clients who are generating a lot of leads and who are their websites are ranking very fast. And I'm sorry I cannot show you the name of those clients, but I can show you the results, how fast they are ranking. Okay, my name is Sagiruddin and I'm student of search engine optimization for the last 12 years. And these are the websites I have created in Search SEO Page Creator, which is our software that creates the mass pages websites. So let me show you the results and then I will explain how you can create the similar type of websites. Okay, so look at my screen. You can see that 7,134 valid pages. And I'm sorry I deliberately hidden his name, the website name. So you can see. You can also see that how fast it is growing. And when I launched this website, and now there are 7,135 results. So let's go to the second website. Look at the valid pages. 9,627 valid pages so far. You can see that how fast this is growing. Let me show you another thing in it. So yeah, let's see the performance. If you see the performance, and let's see the average position of this performance, and let me show you something. Okay, here are clicks, here is impressions, here are average position. So when we count the average position, it means we are counting average position from all of from total pages. So if you have thousands of pages of your website, your average position will be a little down, but your pages, most of the pages will be up. Like if I sort it like this, you can see that there are on many credit repair services on first position, credit repair nearly first position, credit counseling services, credit counseling services. So these are all on the first pages, you can see, and then the second page is started. And now let's see the second website performance. You can see that, okay, let's see the average position here. What is the average position? You can see that average position is here, and this website is growing. The first average position was 52.9 and now the average position is 20.9. So it means there are how many impressions? 10k impressions. And if you go to the average position and the total impressions, you will see that how these websites are being ranked quickly and fastly. Okay, so let me show you something what is actually at the behind. So I'm going to show you another website which is not related to this website, but the same method, the same mass pages method we are using here. I have created that website, so I'm going to show you this. You can see that there are 156 calls from within 1 month from a website, and for that website I'm going to show you the results. Look at the results. This is a garage door services website, so it is not related to that, but I actually want to show you, and similar results you are going to see for those websites. How these mass pages work, how these mass pages will work for your website. So what we do, we take one website and we create in a mass pages website. So it comes in every single city. So for example, there are 72,000 cities or 70 cities in United States, and you want to dominate your website in 70 cities. So we create mass pages, 70,000 mass pages, and we create it with very intention in mind that it should be very SEO friendly. So you can see I have created that totalgaragedoorservices.com, and you can see there are 12,300 pages ranked so far. And when 12,300 pages I said ranked so far, you can see that there are stars, there are rating, there are votes, and every result has star. And similarly, our credit repair websites have the same thing. So you have seen the results, and those results are from our SEO Page Creator website. So we create those pages into a mass pages website. So we have been generating those mass pages websites for the last 7 years. You can see that these are the results. If you want to generate that many calls, or you want to generate more revenue and leads, you must have to convert your smallest page into a mass pages website. So what we do, we take care of the on-site SEO, we take care of titles, we take care of descriptions, we take care of images. So interesting thing is that if we create mass pages website, if there are thousands of pages, we create thousands of images of every single page. So we present Google that this page is very unique to that search term. So and then we create thousands of pages. We actually take one page and take it very SEO friendly. We make it very SEO friendly, and we check everything according to the Google standards, because nowadays there are hundreds of millions of pages, and Google only takes a page which is very relevant to the search term. So what we do, we create a page and we make it specified to that search term, and then make mass pages for different cities. For if you are in United States, or you are in Canada, or you are in United Kingdom, or wherever you are, if you want to dominate your website in multiple cities, that is the best way to generate mass pages. So you have seen the results how I showed you. So if you want to generate more leads for your credit repair business, you can contact with me. I have phone number down there. I have also meeting list into the description. You can just contact with me, and I have more interesting things to show you. So let's arrange a meeting and let's talk together, and then I will present you many more interesting things. I hope you like this video, and if you want to generate more leads, just thumbs up and contact with me, and we can create your website into a mass pages website that will dominate in multiple cities with the specified search terms.